Ollie. Keep Ted. Not Ted though. Not little Ted though. Okay. The wool from the sheep is sold to the British Wool Marketing Board. They wash the wool, they sell the wool to Italy, Belgium or China. They make the wool into carpets. I would just roll this up in a ball and it would be sold. The British Wool Marketing Board, they would wash it. They would market it in Belgium, Italy or China. Should we look at the tail here? Hey!